Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x, y, x, y. So this one divided by this one. They are the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we have v. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one to change for y. Similar for this one, dy over dx we change by this one. So x and x we simplify in here. Next, I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. So we can do common denominator. So this one we have 2v plus 4v squared, because v multiplied by 2 plus 4v. Negative 5v, negative 2v, we have negative 7v. This one I will put in here. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I want to concentrate on this one. So, about 7v in here. We put about negative 8v plus v. This one we can do about factorization by number 2. This one by v. Next, we can do another factorization by 1 minus 4v. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over 2 plus v and b over 1 minus 4v. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 1 minus 4v. So capital A multiplied by 1 minus 4v. About this one, it is missing about 2 plus v. So capital B multiplied by 2 plus v. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of v. About v, we have a with negative number 4, b with number 1. About the numbers, we have 1 with A, so we have A. 2 with B, we have 2B. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have 4V, that means negative number 4A plus B equals to number 4. About the numbers, this one equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to negative number 2 over 3, B equal to 4 over 3. And now I will put A and B going here. So 8 equals to negative number 2 over 3. B equals to 4 over 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over 3 Ln of the absolute value of 2 plus V. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 4 Ln of the absolute value of 1 minus 4V. And I will put about C. So this one and this one, we have negative 1 over 3. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have this one. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of S, and I will put about C. About V, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by S. And now we need to change V into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.